this look like we deep like catching a fish. You better we all go here right now.
Sometimes in a life, you have to have patience. You can't move so rushy. So it's a 1-1 cocoa, full basket. You see me? The world is a big place and you can't go like you want to take giant steps. Just take your time and do it. You see me? You can't do. You know, see me move? Me take my time. Me no fussy. Me no fussy. Me take my time. A fishing we are doing, you know. So sometimes you come now catch none. Then next time you come we catch fish. I think say fisherman go see go catch fish just one time. So all week staying out there. So sometimes they are lost out there. So just go and enjoy yourself. At least we have fun. Remember the days where we there so I try for fishing. You see me? You have to cherish them days there. Just remember that.
Alright bro, so may I catch a fight now man?
Alright, hold it. Just hold it, you know. Hold it. If you see line move. You don't want to take your time. You don't move so fast.
You ready? So I think you're gonna wash.
Wash already. Oh, you do too much of the clothes.
I'm in gym clothes.
Oh, come.
So I think you're gonna wash. Hello.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Hey.
You guys going up to the river?
Obviously.
What's your name?
Kwana.
Kwana?
And this is Yannick.
Oh, hi Yannick. I'm Peter.
So you're from... What's me I see around here?
Not from up here, no. It's my aunt. Me come look for. It's my aunt me come look for.
Okay.
So that's why I'm up here. I'm so gone back down, but I'd love to get to know you though. Because at first, I come out to the shop and I say, no, sir, you just tick like a cow shit.
What?
You never said cow shit before? It's not a bad thing.
Yannick, hear this. If somebody tick like a cow shit, you don't know how cow shit look.
That's disgusting.
No, it's not. It's not. It's so disgusting, but it's not. It's just that she's very
At
thick.
first, somebody
So
ever
me
said
say my call her shit then.
No, but look. You're thick. You're thick. It's not a bad thing. Yeah,
Girl.
still.
I'm going to start to cook tonight, but I come go.
Alright, me link you. Okay. So this is my stop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jano, wish we could have spent the rest of the day or rest of the evening with you.
You just meet me.
Yeah, but no, we just meet you, but I enjoyed the river.
Not gonna lie, I did too. But this is my stop still, and we have things we're going to do.
Alright, so we can't finish this conversation over the phone then. Can I have a number?
I'm gonna give you my number. I'm gonna just meet
Come
people.
on. We're just gonna be friends.
Tell you what, if you really want it, you know I'm gonna live. Come back for it.
Next time I come?
Yeah.
Alright.
I didn't that day.
No, I know this half yet in my parish, you know. But my sister, I would have boy them see that talk to no much, you know.
I don't know him, I first me I see him just offer for help me with the boat down the river.
Yeah. Yo, look, you know. You see the young youth there. Them a user, you know, you have to know what you're doing, my sister. You can't just see a person for you first and say nice. So you know say nice.
Just the way him a talk to my big bro. I don't know. I don't like saying nothing serious or nothing like that to just a conversation we have. I'm not even give him my number a while ago.
Make sure you say you don't give me a number.
I'm not give him it, man. Bro, you know you're too overprotective sometimes. I tell him to come back feet though.
Okay.
That's why I like stay over anti-marg, you know, because I don't get all of them restrictions here, you know, man. But we got eat for dinner.
Well, I know, so I don't know this. I have to go in my porridge, you know.
We're supposed to have some ackee in the fridge though.
Maybe. You know, so I cooked last night.
So if you cook me ackee and not give me none.
You know, so I cook with some chunks, and because I know say you don't eat chunks, I don't offer you none. But don't worry, I'm going to buy a piece of chicken, man, for you to eat later.
Alright then, do you?
Yo, go down at Navlet and buy 2 juicy.
Respect. You know someone say something to you though?
What that?
I don't know if you could have give me one shirt or anyone. I'm glad for that. Please. Please.
Yeah, someone, just go down Navlet and we're not doing a call name, down yard, I'm going to give you one shirt.
Alright, then me fall.
Alright. Me fall.
Okay. Thanks, here, bro. Love you, you know.
Nah,
Yeah, man, respect
you know
me.
it.
Me watch you and carry back.
Alright, just do it, man. Just make sure say you have condom, you know.
Yeah,
But you know them little young girl nowadays. Just protect yourself.
true, real talk.
I do it and be safe on the road, here?
Yeah.
Alright. General, Shakwana did it?
Who?
Shakwana, your sister.
I want Shakwana.
You know, say that's something I just come to talk to her about.
Yeah, man, she there, but I want to talk to you.
Yeah, man. You know, so what do you see you carry the pandemic for my sister, you know, and drop off here, so watch her. And I give you 100 seed. I love my sister, you know. So make sure, say, you show her respect and don't hurt her. You get what I say?
No man, I not do nothing for her, man. I see her sister and I like her, isn't it? There's just something about her I just really love. I don't want to forget her. But her sister, so I understand how protective you can be over her and I be protective over her too, because she's a very nice girl. I see him, so I'm overprotective over my little brother, see me, but she not good hands, man. So what do my name?
Jimmy, you know.
Jimmy,
Yeah,
Peter.
Alright, everything good.
Shakwana!
Oi!
Alright, Peter, that's not me.
Alright, bless up.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh my God, you're so beautiful.
Stop. You know, so I can't. You couldn't tell me say somebody out here to me. You just call me out here. You know how my head stay.
Nothing is wrong with that. Come on.
I know nothing is wrong with that, but come on.
Anyways, I don't know. I'm coming for you.
Then you're really persistent, man. Come never expect to see you back around the side.
So you think I'm crazy enough to spend a whole day at the river actually basically help you wash, and that was for a joke? I really like you. I'm interested. And one thing I can talk to you, I think I need to talk to you over the phone. Like, before I go to bed, when I wake in the morning, I want to know how your day is going. If you have a bad day, a good day, anything at all. I want to know.
Honestly, I catch a vibe when I'm there around you. I like your energy. But this don't mean you get in. You meet my brother, you see him in school with it. So, give me a game number. Let's see where this can go.
Alright. I'm in no rush though, but
Alright, so, let's see her.
alright. Yo, Jimmy. Take care, yeah? Alright.
Yes, you. What make you do me that?
What
You know how my head stay and you call me and I make me know that somebody around you to me.
And Rassi for Rassi here.
I not rest no ear.
And Rassi for Rassi.
From my little I try to get my first, I not rest no ear.
Bro, how go on?
You want some?
What you mean, man? Would I eat some mess?
Look in the house if you want some. Scare them. What is that? Where you come from?
Oh, why you had me did I sleep? I'm saying I come and check it.
Oh. Mommy alright?
Yeah, man, she good, man.
I hope they're going to
I watch TV.
watch TV.
Yeah. Respect.
We couldn't say she want for.
Fine, sir?
What about house?
Oh. Alright.
You still have that shot down my gear, man?
Yeah, man, me care, man.
Like you're like growing out, you know.
Yeah, deal with that now, bro.
They are going normal, man.
I'm there too, man.
Say no miss me?
So when I must miss your beers, that kind of question. Like, come on.
how was the drive though?
Driver's okay.
Oh. Alright, let's see you too, baby. Come on now, come on, you want it. Yo, big up yourself, man. Up, man, up.
No man, me know say from in a lock with the key, me know say you're not gone far. There man.
See, you couldn't let me juice alone.
Release that man, me can't buy back. Yo, take it like cologne here.
So brother, if you spray the cologne, you're not going to where I go?
I go on the road, go deal with something and come back man. I see what can go on.
So which one woman there?
She asleep. She up a yard.
Alright, do you do bro?
Alright.
Jaja.
So you mean to tell me say you couldn't, you know say me I come. Get up man, the place for me.
Babes, God know me. Because God know me. Tired man from a week. Me just tired, babes. Tired. Man, tired.
Alright. Pull up the clothes then.
You alright?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Babes, I miss you, man. I miss those lips.
You know how long you're supposed to send for me? Eh? I met me in a bus all long. The taxi man, the conductor all I get mad for me and them something. You know love me.
I fair run with
You know love
doctor
me.
boy.
You know love me.
Bro, I should run with doctor boy.
Whatever. 8:30?
I still get something, man. Still get something. But how was the drive though? You hungry? Alright, let me fold up 2 more and then we'll get something. Yeah, come on.
I'm going to pull up everything and you're going to get something for me.
Hey, darling.
Good evening.
Alright?
It hurt me. Thanks for taking out the clothes on my father for me.
Tired, man. There, so I'm gonna relax.
So you have planned for the Valentine's Day?
Well, we can just stay home and cook. No, I'll cook.
No, I stay home and go somewhere nice. So I buy you one for shirt, yeah. Have a match with me, Avan.
Take a match. But you match me already.
Whatever, man.
You see?
Yeah, I'm going to go cook some food.
Alright. Here.
Peter, why make you drink the ensure and put the empty bottle back in the fridge? Tell me, son, are you? I buy 1 bottle of ensure for drink with my dinner. You'd have to take it and drink it. Upon top of it, you left the empty bottle in the fridge.
Come on, look like somebody drink ensure here.
Everybody drink ensure, so they don't know what you're talking about. I left the... And now you drink the ensure?
Connor, I don't drink ensure.
You know, say, and
You
your
know this
brother
too.
drink the ensure? Nobody cannot tell me, say, I know your brother drink the ensure.
So I can't go accuse him now.
Who else will drink the ensure? Me and you alone there. And him come here when him feel like. Who else will drink it? And left the bottle in the flipping fridge. Am I mad? Am I crazy? When I drink Ensure, bow, you my woman? A girl alone, me no drink Ensure.
Me not think you don't really take it.
You think it funny?
So babes, why could I really possibly
Me
take
go
up
on
the
about me Ensure now, because I don't understand that kind of behavior there. And then you go tell me say,
Alright, babes. I'll buy it back.
it's not about the bite, but no.
Babe, come on. Just stop. Stop cuss over Ensure. Me buy it back.
You keep on
listen,
saying you will buy it back, and that's not the point. That's not the point, Peter. That's not the point. The point me I try to make is him just come in here and him do him like what, when him like, how him like. Him not have no regard for nobody we living here. Him know how for Ensure him I drink it. Him know what it is for. And you say you talk to him and still him keep on under them petty things here.
Connor, can I talk now? Can I talk?
You know what?
Listen. I don't know what nothing. Him don't drink it already, and me I go buy it back. Just stop behaving so please, me I beg you. You're too beautiful for some miserable man. And I just add a little food, cause when I eat it or drink it, yes, so I'll come back right out in the toilet. So you're not good for cuss over them, man. Just,
Okay.
I love you.
Brother,
Yo. Here.
how kind of style that man born to put vinegar in a drinks?
Pop it on, where you get that from?
In the fridge.
You buy it, put it in there?
No. But me and your brother anything of fear for me.
Yeah, but that's not mine. Me not drink them juice, eh? So if you just go in the fridge and sip something and just take up yourself.
You know, so me have a great mind for a woman do it. He corrupt bad, you know. He come here and say me and you live good. And he come like he want me to live bad. Me not like that.
Principle of principle. You can't sit something in a people's fridge and just go take up it and you don't ask a fool. If you did ask me and I did mine, would I just tell her, say, alright, you can't take it. But I don't mind, me not even know who for drinks. Suppose I did poison in there, or could I just, you just drink, you're dead.
You see it? You know, say come like your woman now want me for deal though. Who fi put poison in her fridge? Tell her say he corrupt, you know. And he come like say you follow him to, you know. The evil will say nothing to me too.
Your business what you want, say principle or principle. So if you feel like set me up on our side, then well fine. Principle or principle. You can't say people things and just trouble. So anyways, me I can go.
I go man, you man corrupt man.
See how they say, you know. And if me did a go along now, you know, no say me bad mind. I true me love you, you know, me just kick you down, you know. Go on where you go, man.
Oh, go on. You good? Alright, man, I go out there, sir.
What? Babes, how are you going at this maternity? Yeah. Eh? It's sexy, but not in this maternity. This come like as what they wear when they have baby down hospital.
Peter.
How that? Where you go so late, brother?
I'm going late though, mommy say. When you me I come from, if you just go on back. So me just say me I come down here for one sleep. You can't come in.
Mommy still up. Alright, come in. Babe, ain't just a spending night, man. Cause mommy lock him out, so I just go and hold the couch until I'm on. Boy, next time you have to go in early, brother. You have to see that? You see that?
You alright?
Yeah, man, how are you?
Alright, good. Just, do you want to catch up to talk to you about the issue I'm gonna have? You know, do you want to have a woman talk today because we know you will understand because But just review it, Peter. Everything alright out there, I try to do and all it.
You're not supposed to come down there and eat out your things and drink out your drinks and leave your dirty plate, and so you're not supposed to do that. But on the other hand, the way how me grow them is like they share things together. You understand? From them small I come up, they wear them one another clothes, they wear them one another shoes, and sometimes we told them eat out of one plate. And I say we don't have enough food, but how them grow. So
I understand that, you know, I not dispute that. I just say like, him know say, him Peter have a woman now. You know, just talk to him to make him know say him admire Peter so much. So I don't want Peter to be the one to go to him and say, you know, have little boundaries and respect for the relationship for me in and out. I rather come to you as a woman so you can understand how me feel, so you can now relate this to your son. Because even the other day, I buy one shirt for Peter, you know, and I don't know if you see me now one new shirt, but I put it on my seen the shirt, and him don't even wash and return the shirt. So them thing there, it kind of irritating, man, and I really would appreciate it, Miss Shirley, if you could have just talk to him and make him understand, say, him have to make some changes.
yes, I agree, but them brother and the party is so well with this shirt, as me tell you, say, because Puppy don't have a shirt, newborn shirt too, and Peter wear it, and it never create a problem. And the thing is this, right? As me tell you, say, they're close and whatever. And me not want it becomes a conflict, but me don't want because of a woman, the two of them live bad. Because they never used to live so until when you come in at the picture. So you have to go find somewhere. You and Peter have to go talk, call Puppy Dan and she work out something. Because since that is an issue, well, you and Puppy Dan and Peter have to go work out the party or so.
Alright, sure. Man, thanks.
Yeah, man, and I hope you work out the way you want it to work out.
Alright.
Yeah, man, you too.
Why you look like that?
Where are you coming from?
Babe, come on, really? I'm coming from the ball field.
So I couldn't answer your phone for much hours.
Babe, really? How me to play ball and have your phone on the field with me? I don't have to leave your phone one side. I'm never see the call them. Right now I'm put ankle right me. A boy stepping on my ankle.
Peter, what shirt to me buy if you put on Valentine's Day?
That shirt is in the basket. You know the basket with that?
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
You all know.
Your brother me seen the shirt this morning. So him have interview.
You sure it's got heat?
I mean buy him, I must know it look. Peter, I'm sick and tired of your behavior, and every time I talk to him, I feel like I'm me wrong, like me not for say nothing, me not for comfortable, me not have no space right there. So this don't make no sense. I bet I'm gonna go back on my yard.
Babe, that's what him always just take up.
That's why you always go pick up for him, but them something don't make no sense. Think about it. If me have a sibling and my sibling come around you, and every time you cook a straight in the pot she gone, you not eat, me not eat nothing. Nobody not eat nothing. We can't have no romantic time because we don't know when she go pop up.
Yeah.
And when she pop up, she gone straight in the bed.
Stop do that, man. I'm a little brother, man. I'm love him. So you don't need to be so.
I feel like a brother not mine. It's uncomfortable. And you not understand, come like you not grasp that.
So what you want to do?
I don't know, I cannot tell you what to do. Because at the end of the day, you're not a family. But me, as your woman, I have to tell you, so I'm uncomfortable. And why it up to you what you want to do. And I go talk to your mother about it, and it's like, she make it look like, say, I'm me, I come between you and him. I'm not like that. So if so be the case, I just gonna go on my yard. Honestly.
Babe, look. Me I go fix this. Here? Me I go talk to you. Me I go talk to you. But please, nobody make that stress you out, man. I understand how you feel and come on. Who would I want to buy them man and see some of these are really?
Exactly.
Me
But him
understand
should
how you feel,
have mind, man. Him should know them things, them something that simple things. You have to know, say, you know fit intrude so much. Anybody with common sense know all of them things there. And when I talk to him, it is like a beer attitude. No, you need to fix it, you know, because if me fix it, I'm not even asking nothing else. But
one thing I don't like miserable, what's for dinner? Eh?
I don't know where you want to eat.
Some curry pumpkin chicken.
I can't cook curry pumpkin chicken.
Well, me have to teach again. You just put the pumpkin in the chicken.
Alright.
I go be and come back here. Too miserable, man. Love you, honey.
Love you, boo. I'm not lying. Like for ambience, yeah, we really need it.
Yeah, down here is very nice. You should come here more often.
I try my best as possible to come as often.
So yeah, again, I can come down the road.
Yeah, me and Peter will come over already. You know, as I say, he's a very nice guy.
I can see that you like him.
No, I don't. I'm not get judgy for anybody. Like, I see a future with him.
Well, that's good.
You know I'm not get judgy for anybody. All is well, except for the fact say him have, you know, I don't know how him grew up, but him have one little brother, the man. He's a brother from hell.
Eh? But you can't make him get in a relationship. Well, wait, could I do so? When mother look at? And look here or something?
No, son, none of that. Him just, I don't know how them grow, but it's like him not understand himself. Him not know a boundary. And if nigga can stay in the yard with the brother.
So, you're gonna make because of the brother, yeah, your man mash up.
Yes.
No, girl, you can't do
I
that.
don't know where them get that style from. Yes, if you grow a certain way, I understand. But you have a woman now, right? Priorities, right? You can't just come in the house and just tie up house and just spread out on the bedside your bed.
So you know, so I talk to Peter about it?
Him say,
Me know, but just talk to him just for sure. For make him know so you're uncomfortable. If nothing at all not change, then we'll do something to him and get
talk
rid
to
of him.
Peter, whether you buy one shirt to anniversary and say me and him go out. You don't know, say not even 3-4 days after that, he must see that, and him is not Peter size.
So you don't like it for him?
I say I clean him up, you see, man.
Listen.
I say I clean up Peter him too. Because I understand, because he must see him in the shirt. You understand? Some buy you something. And your brother just come and take it out and wear it like a female. Like a female. Him no shirt by. Hey, listen. Right now I feel like all of mother don't like me. I feel like she don't like me because it's like from me and Peter then, him have to just shake up him folly grounds and certain things have to be different because him have a woman in the house. Is not a single man, is not a man cave. And that may I explain to him. So it's like him brother have to stop coming around as often. But him still a go on, him still annoy me and do certain things, man. Him still not understand. So you know what I can do? Me I go set a trap for him.
Me will help you.
Yeah,
Boundaries
man.
have to set. Them have to understand themselves. We are on them out for them. Anyway, can go make a walk down the road.
Yeah.
Brother. Peter. How are you gone?
You don't have a phone can call Peter if you want Peter. Why you always have to come around here unannounced? Just pop up so like you live in here. And you know so we have a problem with it.
So no, my brother, I can come up anytime I want. I don't have to
You
call.
cannot come here every time because I don't feel comfortable with it. And I care I talk to everybody and nobody cannot get through to you. Why your problem?
You know, so from what day I go and I can style me do. I mean I get
Oh,
finna
me
like
try
you.
style you.
Because you try to break me and my brother friendship and never so me and my brother did stay, me and my brother live good. And you see from you come here, everything change. I mean I like you, me I tell you the truth, me not like you. God
You
know
need
me
to
not
get
like
a place and get a woman or something. You're
I
in a
wanna
full
take your
life
style.
too much. I know nobody a try style you, Papi Dan, but you need to understand, man. Go and understand yourself, man.
Up to what day I'll put something in a drink to kill me off.
You need to stay amongst the people, them stay with their parents or
Say
get
nothing to me,
somewhere,
man. Me a
man.
top come on the place, man. Me a top come here.
Go
on,
look
on,
at
on.
work, man, or do something for yourself, man. So you know put couch in my drawers. You know remember you put couch in my drawers? Say I you know. I never you.
Come back on the place.
Stay down with your mother or your parents or get somewhere stay, man. You're a big boy no man. I need it to come here. I need it to come here right now.
Babes! Babes, what is it? There?
May I go home?
I go home. What?
You have me here. I make your little brother come take liberty with me. My day me yard, me alright in a Peter. But nobody a take no step on me, you know. Me I go me yard because I can't take them disrespect you at all.
What him do?
When you come in here, me rub couch for my drawers. And I don't even say nothing to you, but you come in here and you start attack me about how me put pies now or whatever in a drinks for give your brother. But you know, see all of the antics them when I keep up in here. And you see, because me realize that me cannot write in the house here, I just go gone me yard. Peter, I just go gone me yard, and there's nothing you can say to me because at the end of the day, you and my brother, I'm not going to ask you for choose between you and your brother.
Babes, listen to me.
Me I go talk.
Me I call one taxi for come for me today, because I go pack
You're
right
not,
now.
you're not call.
So my brother yeah call me, because I tell him say it, I text him and tell him say it. If I clear up my room.
Just don't, babes. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. Me I go talk to him. I go talk to him. Me talk.
Yeah, go home.
No.
I can't do this.
Babe. I don't want you to go. Me I go talk to you. Here? Just stop. Listen. No.
My brother go come down here because he knows there's something wrong. Me and go home. I'm tired of you talk to him already and nothing never
Well, me I go put a stop into this. No.
Oh! Talking not working.
No. Alright. Can you just give me 5 minutes? Go up there and come back? Please.
Alright.
Pop it down. Yeah, my brother. And I'm a girlfriend that. You come like say intense. If you mash up me and my woman relationship, brother. All the girl that talk to you, brother. Me and I make like everything, you know. Right now, you are my brother, she are my girlfriend, I'm there right in the middle, brother. In the middle, every day argument, brother. You are argue to me, she are argue to me, brother. But yo, just don't come out down on me yard, brother. Don't come out down there. But if you don't want, watching them, don't say
Listen,
brother.
Me not have to come back down your yard then.
That you do, brother. That you do.
That me see it, you know. So you put the woman over me, you know. Me see it, you know. And now this prove, you know.
Bro.
You have to come in your yard, man.
Bro.
Just go on down there. Not talk to me. Go on my yard.
That you do.
Me
Just
hear what
not
you
come
say,
back
so
on
me
me
not
yard,
come in
brother.
your yard. Just go on my yard. I'm good, man.
Don't come back on me yard, brother. Cause I come like say me can't talk to you either. You girl, you can't just see people things and just
Me not have to come back down your yard, you know. Me have a yard. And this proving now, say, you put your girlfriend over me.
yeah, my little brother, I'm love you, man, you, but you have to understand, brother, you can't just come and people place up. Me a man now, you know, brother. And me move out from here, because me don't want to leave here, brother. Me move out from here, brother. And me don't want me tired of here, brother. I'm want to be by myself, brother. Yeah. And me allow you to come down there when you feel like me never there stop you, me never did that do nothing, brother. And you just come down there and want to create problem in a relationship, brother. In a house.
Me see you put your girlfriend over me, and that me see. And this prove it, because no, me can't believe you put your girlfriend over me. Can't believe you cheat me like me and your friend and me and your family.
But just if you did that disrespect you know as a little brother, you would have hate me, dog. Yo, just this is last time, brother. I don't want to see you back again, brother. Straight up, me I tell her that brawling. I don't want to see you back, brother.
You think I'm a problem? Or she a problem?
Alright.
Well, go on, Rasta. The shot. Yeah, man. So I go on differently.
Yeah, easy, man. You don't know me, that man always easy. You see it?
They are all the time, you know. So I go on that place. Me say, all the things are going on here, you know.
Well, parting are going, yes. But me know it, brother. Stay out of trouble, yeah, man. Isn't it?
Well, I know I pass through the place, you know, so I'm soon going back for my turf. You see?
Good night.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, man.
See how I did in Nebula?
There, one of my friends in the out the road, I go and chill.
Well, this is the road. This is the Vibes Cartel song. Street no love nobody, man. Stay off of the street, man. You find something for do. You see, you better you're there, yard, and farm up some things. You know what I mean? You look at your brother. You know if you're going and farming, and a farm fool. You hear me? Because you see technology go fail on you know. So you see pan car now hang out with friend, you better there get some natural something go and grow, you know what I mean? And start learn about the bushes and the trees and the bees. Judgment time will come.
Boy, uncle as I talk about brother, you know, so me and him leave a deal though. Because it's like me and him live good, you know. But he get to a new girl. And see from that happen, it's like me and him not live good. He treat me some way. The girl all nearly poison me, put something in a drinks, vinegar, nearly poison me off. Me and him not live good. He tell me if you not come back down my yard.
But here one now, you come out of one belly, so you for go on better. You know what I mean? So what the problem though? Are you the one at the problem What the problem? Girl are the problem, or your brother the problem? Why problem? That the problem. Because it have to be a problem for the whole disagreement.
Boy, you know, say a girl have a problem though. She corrupt my brother mind. Or some things where he never used to do, I do it.
So what part you live now then? If you don't have a yard there, honestly there. Where you live now? What part you there now?
Up a moment me there, up there me live as always, but me always visit him down in the yard.
But you want now. Me go talk to him about the brother. You know if you have a band, you know if you have a reason. If you realize, if you get one girl and try to get one girl get two. You have a few woman there.
Goodly they home.
So you can stay for your woman then, now check him then. But apart from that still, you know if you link said way, but if you realize saying one space and the girl don't like you stay away from them. Let them go and do them thing. You understand what I mean? But more talk to him because my bigger one, him try really look out for you in one sense. But we have to be realistic this time. You know what I mean? You see flesh is very deceiving. You understand? And the flesh will change your mind. So for your flesh, we have you stay to for your girl then and keep yourself off of the corner on the street. You understand? The part for your brother there now. When there?
Oh, I don't even know, probably in down in the yard.
So you see a woman in the yard now?
Yeah.
Just see same thing you have for your woman turn off your yard enough with your woman. Make your woman come up to your mother yard or go off your yard. But stay off of the street. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, your brother still man. Just enter and a girl and dash him away and done with him, you can't start go down there again. You understand? Because anything was bad in the last too long. So if she come with a bad energy, you only can't hold it for a while. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm a man. So I've been with many different women. And the one them who give problem straight through. You only can't deal them for a while. After a while, they say, brother, if the come say a good youth, you know. So if that girl would have something for her mind, she would have want something where she don't want you did it, or she want to some different things. So don't worry about that. Just reason the brother and him on the road then. If you go there, you're not tarry. You just heal him and cut. Tell him if you can link you one different place and then reason have a drink then. You know what I mean? But you if you live as one. No. Just be off of the road, man. Do what I say. You know what I mean? Hang out with your girlfriend. You understand? It better your mother hears your girl a breed for you than you mix up in some different things, right?
True.
So turn a yard and deal with that and allow the street alone. Let's say something to do on the street, to do on the street. Go and walk, you go back to your yard, do some farming. Better program the bush than the street. Anyway, do your thing, you know. I'm virgin there go on with a reason, but no longer than tonight before I go back and I cut out my plate, you know. Me go check your brother and talk to him. Alright?
Alright, yeah.
Alright, that's a word now.
Big up.
Yeah. Yeah. Peter, your uncle. Uncle, I beat my door to uncle. Must have me teach you, you know, strong in that in the earth, you know, man. You move like a weak, so. What go on?
But there, man, I go on now, man. What
What kind of vibration me say I go on down here? Just your brother a while ago and say you diss him because a woman. I'm teach about flesh, you know, and I say anything, you know.
Uncle, put me down on style, uncle.
So I diss a bore up. Since you diss your brother over?
Excuse me? Bore up what?
Bore up. Let's be a bore upon you.
First of all, my name is Shakwana. I am Peter's wife. Who are you? To be referencing me in that matter. Out of Adam Brett. No.
Listen, relax.
You know what? You need to tell your nephew or whatever he is to you, he needs to calm down. And he needs to understand respect and boundaries. Because the whole family and don't understand this.
Alright, what's your number? Relax. I'm uncle this. Relax.
But you not hear him refer to me a while ago, Peter?
Uncle, she's my queen. And them a bore up and nothing, you know, look disgusting. Alright. Me love it.
What may I say to you now? Me just say something, you know. Me say bore up. Because she bore up with more than one person is but thing bore. So me no decide. She come out hot and fiery. Them a control other me to test her personality. If she come out calm, mother know say I'm never the problem. She's the problem. Because you see how she come out, I true you maybe have a gear with sweet her and she get some sweet you. But what sweet nanny goat, I go run in belly. Someone show you something say watch her now. Enjoy yourself, but me myself you know, invest everything in another one here. You understand? Look good. Cause rubbish look good for a foreigner. Look good.
Hello, no, I don't take this disrespecting now.
Babes,
Because
babes.
someone I look poor and hungry right now, if you come disrespect me, a good house me come from, here, sir.
Go inside.
That alone
Go-
I want
go
you to
inside, go
understand.
inside.
No, I'm done, I'm serious. Come on, I know who is this hungry man. This is not good where I come from here, I'm not a struggle. I'm gonna know the whole family I not come down from about because I don't take disrespect lightly.
I know.
I'm gonna understand, I'm done. No, I'm done.
Uncle, just relax, man. Now that you come from.
But you mess now. You see a guy bigger brother, you must look out for your little brother. Get one of them said girl like give me turn a female then.
Get him a work.
Get one of them bore up something, yeah?
Get him a job. Get him a job.
Is that look
You're
you?
so concerned about him. Get him a job.
Your mama know.
You can't give him a job.
In our work.
Get him a job.
Just say that, you just won't stop that. Yo, uncle, me chat to you. Look at me.
You know.
How about the excitement?
I go check your mother and make you have a family dinner. I want to see two brother them. Uno I only one for no mother, you know. So uno can't cut like that way there, you know. Uno feel reason and try to find a way.
Mr. Peter can't sex him, brother. And
Listen,
me have to do that.
you
So
can't-
if I know the whole
It's not about sex, mama, because it's sex we have soon done. If I say you're running. Since you have so much sex, you give brother some of my sex too. Since you have so flush it, we could give you too hot. Give your brother some of it then. The brother them
you
alright.
must some water me I come throw up on this dirty man.
Yeah,
Come on,
yo,
Tell a girl
Go
that-
on, no, uncle.
You may say-
Real river she
No,
come
no,
from.
no, me I say.
Uncle, a real river
Listen
she
now,
come
man,
from,
listen
man. Stop foolishness.
Where from the mother come from? Riverton.
Peter, over the door.
Check one.
Sana come and knock out her down here.
Two out of all
Say,
man.
like a jail want me go back. Tell her where me I come from.
Uncle, look at me, man.
Me say, yo, see that girl there? Tell her me I come from.
Alright, uncle, look at me.
Tell her me I come from.
Look at me, uncle.
Wash your drink.
Check one on top of it now.
Yo, Nevio, I go tell you, you know. That was say not to fear, you know. So you know how it go, you know. That- Yeah, what's going on? Go back a river, you know.
Sir, go.
Check one.
I see why your brother.
Come back out here
Listen
now,
now.
Peter.
Listen, Peter.
Peter tell him go on, no, Peter, 'cause I'm not like this.
I go send your mama come down here, you know. You know, say me never take it so serious. I go send your mother come down here. I go,
Sir, mama tell you this.
I go send you. I go send. No, mom make your mother-in-law contact you. Cause me a wrong one.
Peter, let me go on your clock so me I go out there go do anything.
Uncle,
Me don't need for you nothing, you know.
Jump
Swear
on
me
me.
don't need for you nothing.
Listen me now. I'm just coming from prison. First from prison, girl.
Prison
So-
not enough for it, which look up in the area pass.
Rape.
No.
Ask him what me got prison for.
No.
I one phone call me need to make for you, you know.
One phone
One
call.
phone call that me make you know.
Me not fi
See
make
you out
none.
here so, in an argument with me, sir.
Me have what we have in IKEA, man.
Uncle.
One, me have well I
Give
call.
him 5 minutes,
Careful.
but he go buy rum now, man. Give him 5 minutes.
You want my job for some people come chew up on your out here.
Babe,
You say,
stop that,
you
no,
can't
no, no.
have strength for me. The whole I want to go on like son have strength for me. But one phone call me and make round river here.
Yo, daddy, I'm going to tell you something.
Yo, look
Listen.
at me, look at me.
No, you,
Uncle,
me
please,
go.
look at me.
Me have
Look
things to
at
do.
me.
You see the reason why your
Please.
brother and I don't get along? You see the reason why you and your brother don't get along? Because your girlfriend is a problem. And me go tell you something from now. You see that female there? It's going to be better for you, you know. Yeah, she will call people a roll river. Any day put your hand on her, she call her man them a roll river. I go tell you, them girl not care one man, you know. Every boy represent your man.
Check one. Babe, stop now. Uncle, a good girl, man. I just touch his teeth. Just leave her alone, man. Look at me. Shakwana.
Low me, mama talk. You hear the man that disrespect men that talk like him, say like him, feel like he's a nobody. Who is him? If you come
Yes,
tell me
alright.
a girl
Sita.
and bore up.
All right, Sita.
Eh?
Take it.
And you come tell me about how much man. What you know about me? Eh? What you know about me?
Babe, just stop
And me
now.
and family them have strength for. But me know me go to Adam, me go just gone me hard.
Peter,
Hold on.
what me doing, man?
Oh,
I look a drive by going out the road, you know. Your brother get shot.
what you say?
You see why you could drive by going out the road, your brother get shot.
Which part?
Up the road and they will shoot him down the hospital.
Yo, come on.
The doctor said, babes. The doctor said.
Get 7 shots. 7.
7. Flesh wound, please tell me say a flesh wound then.
I don't know, flesh wound. 5 of them still in him. 5 of them still in him, man. They don't know if he will make it.
You mean they don't know if you're not gonna make it, sir? You live on life machine or something? Stop fret out yourself now, man. Because at the end of the day, him not dead. Him still there with we. And him a hold on, him a fight. The doctor them say him a fight, Peter. Him a gonna make it him strong. Just believe in him. Stop stress and worry.
Hello?
Good afternoon. Is this Mr. Gordon?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Your name and number was provided on file as a primary caregiver for Mr. Howell. I'm sorry to call and inform you that he has passed away.
What?
Yes, he has passed away, so you along with your family need to make all the necessary preparation to come and look at the body. Hello, are you still there? Come.
This is your fault. This is your fault. This is your fault.
Babes, you're hurt. Calm down.
Whenever you,
Calm down. Don't say anything when you're not gonna meet.
whenever you bring out of there, my foot.
Peter.
Leave. Leave.
Peter, don't do this.
Leave. Leave. Please. Leave.
No, babes, you're hurt. Don't do this, please. Please, look for me. I'm me. I'm still there. You're hurt.
Leave. Leave.
Please.
Leave. Leave. Leave.
You don't mean this, please.
Leave. Leave. Don't even worry. Come back for your clothes and me. Send them for a taxi. I'll send them.
you.